What's up, yeah? This your boy JP. You already know who it is. And today we're going to be doing a 2007 Dodge Ram. We're going to be doing a double din radio inside of here. So I will be showing you how to take this factory radio out. Even though it's pretty simple, there is some things that you have to cut and you have to be kind of intricate with it. So I will be going over that as well. And we're going to be doing some other things like amp and sub. Not gonna really show all that, but we're going to show you how to take this out and what to do to make this look better than what it usually does. So let's get into it. First thing you want to do is go ahead and drop this pocket, and you see that where is it? There, right there, that Phillips. Those two Phillips, there's one on the left and one on the right side. We're going to go ahead and take those two out, and that should relieve the screws down here at the bottom, and then everything else should just pop on out. Alright, so now that I have that off, I actually took my panel removal tool and went up under here, and I was able to pop that out. And now that we have everything loose, just everything else is literally just held in by those clips. So we're gonna put our shifter in the lowest position, make it a little bit easier to drop that. I've already gotten all the CDs out and all that good stuff, so what I'm going to do now is take this pocket out, 2 Phillips, and you got 4 Phillips, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we'll have that radio. Alright, so this is how this dash kit works. Basically what you're going to end up doing is cutting this bar out and shaving off about 1/8 of an inch on each side of this deal right here, and then you'll take your double din trim, and it has like a little ridge at the bottom. That ridge is going to slide into the bottom of this, and it'll clip on with the top clips right here they'll basically snap into place. But we have to cut as much as we can. So take this trim off, take that side off, 1/8 of an inch on each side, and that should give us what we need. And then on the back end, these 2 holes will actually come through this part, and then they come with some little black clips that kind of mount on the back of that. So first, let's just go ahead and get this thing cut. Alright, so as you can see, I have went on ahead and cut the bar out. And when we put this in the mix, see how this ridge will latch on to that, and that's where those little clamps will mount in. But this part right here, that little edge, that has to come flush, so that's why we have to take an 1/8 inch off of each side. So let's go ahead and knock that part off. So as you can see, with that in there, cutting off that little 1/8 of an inch so this ridge can come in, those 2 tabs just snap into the top part right there. That works fine and dandy. And then these are the little pieces or whatever. They go right over, oh, hold on. God dang. They go right over here, right over the top of it. And they also come with the screws to mount inside of here. That way this thing for sure doesn't come out. It snaps in place pretty tight, but once you put those screws down in there, that's not going anywhere. And then our end result is going to look something like that. And we just have our double din that comes through. Alright guys, so that's about it. That's what it looks like. We've cut that bar behind, took an 1/8 inch off each side, and this thing snapped in like you seen earlier. I already got my backup camera hooked up. Boom. So you get to see that, but that's what it looks like. One thing that I will tell you guys is that when you order this directly from Metro, make sure you get one that actually matches the color. For the most part, this part will just be black. So if you have a black dash, cool. But if you have something like this, then you might want to get a special order gray. I know some of them have like wood grain and stuff like that. I don't think they have a wood grain trim bezel. It's either black or this silver piece. So now it looks pretty good with this being color match. So anything else, you're probably going to get the black. But I do have the steering wheel controls working and all that good stuff. Volume up, volume down. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Just hit over 100 subscribers on this channel, so thank you guys for the support. Until next time, it's JP signing out. Peace.